Hello friends, welcome to Prismatic's online class. In this class, we are still on the topic called quadratic equation. But today, we are going to look at a subtopic known as what? Symmetric properties of what? Quadratic equation. Given the general formula, given the general forms of a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, now let alpha and beta be the roots of quadratic equation. From the quadratic formula which we know, or from almighty formula, or from what? General formula method, we know that the roots are, we remember plus or minus. The roots are what? This. So alpha equals to what? Minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a, and the alpha minus b minus square root of what? B square minus 4ac all over 2a. Now we are going to generate a formula using what we call sum of the word given root. Let's assume that alpha and beta are the word given root as they say stated above here. Okay, now let's look at the what? The sum of the what? The given root, which is alpha plus what? Beta. Alpha plus beta. Now let's add up and see what will happen. So this will be equal to what? Our alpha, our beta is what? Minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac all over what? 2a, all bracket, plus what? Minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over what? 2a, and we add a bracket. So what do? We want to add this, and we are looking at their LCM. So pick their LCM. The LCM of them is 2a. 2a is what? 2a. Pick 1. 2a. 2a divided by 2a will give you 1. 1 times everything that will give you minus b plus b square, square root of b square minus 4ac plus these 2a go to this place, have it 1. 1 times everything will be what? Minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac. What do we do here? We collect what? Like terms. Minus b. We have it as minus 2b. Now, looking at this one plus square root of b square minus 4ac minus square root of b square minus 4ac, they will cancel themselves out. So we are left with what? This over what? 2 what? A. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus 2 over what? 2a. This will cancel this. Alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b over 2 over a. Minus b over what? A. So that is it. So this is very important in solving symmetric property. In other words, the sum of the roots is what? Minus b over what? A. So that is what we use to solve the sum of the root. Minus b over what? A. So that is so anytime you are solving the equations in symmetric properties and you want to add the sum of the given root, you have the formula as what? Minus b over what? A, and that is how to get it. Thank you. Now let's look at what I hope you are done with this. Let's look at what this product, the product of the given root. We are done with what? The sum of the given root. Let's look at what? The product of what? The given root. Thank you. Okay, the product of the given rule, we have the alpha beta. So we are going to multiply this by this. Minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over what? 2a. We want to multiply this and get our what? Alpha beta. Okay, let's go. In multiplication of this, you need to multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Okay. Alpha beta is equals to split them. We have minus b multiply the whole everything that is there, which is what? Minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Close it. Close it. Into what? We are left with this one plus sod b square minus 4ac multiply by everything that is there, minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac, all this everything over what? 2a multiply by 2a. That is how to get it. So alpha beta is equal to minus b times minus b will give us minus b, will give us plus b square. Will give us what? Minus times minus is plus, which is give us what? B square. Now let's go. Minus times this will give us what? Plus b sod b square minus 4ac. Now let's go. This time this one will give us what? Minus b sod b square minus 4ac. Okay. This function times the whole function will give us what? Minus what? Sod b square minus 4ac all square, all square, all over what? 2 times 2 4. A times a will give us a square. So we multiply b. Look at what we do. B minus b times minus b will give us b square. Minus b times minus square root of b square minus 4ac will give us plus b square root of b square minus 4ac plus square root of b square minus 4ac times minus b will give us minus b square root of what? B square minus 4ac. Now plus b square root of b square minus 4ac times minus square root of b square minus 4ac will give us minus square root of b square plus 4ac all squared. That is what we have done here. 2a times 2a will give us 4a. So now let's cancel this. This minus b square minus b square minus b, okay, plus b square root of what? B square minus 4ac minus b square root of b square minus 4ac will cancel themselves. Now we are left with this, and square here we cancel, square root we cancel square. We are left with alpha beta is equals to b square minus into the, what do we have here? B square minus 4ac. Close it. All over what? 4a square. All over what? 4a square. What do we do again? We are going to multiply out by minus 1 here. Multiply, break the bracket. So we are going to have alpha beta is equals to minus 1 times this will give us b square minus b square. This go to this will give us what? Plus what? Minus times this will give us plus 4ac all over what? 4a square. What do we do again? Minus plus b square we cancel minus b squared, and we have that alpha beta is equal to what? 4ac all over what? 4a square. So this 4 will cancel out. A will cancel out. Now we have alpha beta is equal to what? C over what? A. So this is very, very important. So we call this in what? The product of what? The given root. So this is what? Alpha beta is always what? C over A. So the product of given root is what? C over A. Very, very, very important. Very, very, very important. The product, because we are going to make use of it in solving questions. The product, now we have the product, the sum of the given root, sum of roots is minus b over a, while the product of the root is what? C over a. So we are going to make use of them while solving question. It's very, very important. That is how to prove symmetric properties of what? Summation and what? The product of what? Given root. And that is how to do it. So in the next class, we are going to give a question and apply all these things on it and solve the question. Then you will know how to use them in solving question. Thank you. God bless you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook, Prismatic Online Class. Bye.